Introduction to Surface Data Import for Contour Generation in Interface. Drawing File. Import. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on Surface Data Import for Contour Generation in the ESurvey CADD Interface. In this video, you will learn how to import survey surface data from a drawing file and generate contour maps using the interface module. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new project file. First, create a new project file in the interface. Once the project is created, you are ready to import the survey data. Step 2. Open the Import CAD tool. Go to the Surface menu and select Import CAD. The Import CAD window will open, allowing you to import data directly from a drawing file. Step 3. Select the drawing file. Click on the Browse button and select the drawing file containing your survey data. After selecting the file, the software will display the available layers for import. Step 4. Import ground elevation data. In the ground data section, select the layer containing the elevation information. If the elevations are stored as text values, select elevation text. If the elevations are represented as AutoCAD points, select 3D point. After selecting the appropriate option, click Import. The software will import all elevation points and create the ground surface data. Step 5. Import boundary data. If your drawing contains a boundary, select the corresponding boundary layer and click Import. The boundary helps define the area within which the surface model and contours will be generated. If no boundary is available in the drawing, the software can automatically create a boundary using the specified scanning radius value. Step 6. Import breaklines. If breaklines are available in the drawing, select the breakline layer and click Import. Breaklines improve the accuracy of the surface model by preserving important terrain features, such as ridges, embankments, and drainage lines. Please note, breaklines must be drawn as 3D polylines for successful import. Step 7. Close the Import CAD window. After importing all required data, click the Close button to exit the Import CAD screen. Step 8. Generate contours. Now open the Contour Map screen. The imported elevation points, boundaries, and breaklines will be used to create the surface model. Specify the contour interval and other required settings, then generate the contour map. The software will create contour lines based on the imported survey data. In this tutorial, you learned how to import surface data from a drawing file, import elevation points, boundaries, and breaklines, create an accurate surface model, generate contour maps within the ESurvey CADD interface. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.